internet browser is a mess of tabs, you're getting accounts mixed up, and constantly having to log in and out of them, you need to start using Google Chrome's profile feature. When it comes to using Google add ons, you will encounter errors and performance issues if there are multiple active Google accounts in your browser. For example, see these messages issued by our Payable add on for Google Forms. This is because when an add on is installed on a Google product, only the installer account can then manage that document. Today, I'm going to show you why Chrome profiles are a great tool and how to set one up faster than you can make a coffee. Chrome profiles keep everything separate: your bookmarks, passwords, extensions, history, all neatly divided. Your work profile stays focused. Personal profile, chaos is allowed. If it's a shared computer, there's no more fighting over tabs. Plus, switching between profiles is instant. Here's how to set up a new Chrome profile in under a minute. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the profile icon, that little circle next to the three dots. Now click Add Chrome Profile. Choose a name, pick an icon if you like, and click Done. Chrome opens a fresh new window, a clean slate. You can create as many profiles as you want: work, personal, school, PTA, you name it. Here's a handy tip for shared computers. Click the profile icon, then Manage Chrome Profiles. Then click Show on Startup. This way, when Chrome is opened on your computer, the user will be able to select their profile to begin browsing. If it's just you with multiple internet personalities, click the profile icon to quickly move between profiles to switch between work and personal without missing a beat. So if your tabs are melting together and your digital life is a mess, Chrome profiles will save your sanity. Hit like, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and go set up your profiles. Your brain will thank you. Thanks for watching.